Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, I got three 1541s, and so far we have two circuit boards, or some people say motherboard, even though there's only one board to be concerned with, really. And they are in trouble, so I'm going to put all the screws from this into the same bag with all the 1541 parts. And extract the screws. Make sure they're all nicely in the bag. Tip this over. Okay. One screw for the other. And then the board should come free once this is all undone. Okay. One more, which is already loose. Don't drop the board. Don't drop the drive. Okay, so tip this over. So here is the circuit board from a 1541. This is one. There are many versions of this. This one has also got issues. Okay, so we'll grab a data card. And we'll say 1541 board. Major chips were all okay. Drive will not communicate with computer. Freezes. Load. Needs operation. Chips moved. Now, actually, one thing I want to do while I'm here, I want to look underneath. And that chip that's in a socket. No, it's funny. It doesn't look like it's had surgery on it. It does not. We'll wait. So, take this. We'll get the tape. And we'll lay some serious tape. There's not a whole lot of area for this thing to hold on to very nicely. And we'll put a little more in the corner. A little more in the corner. Boom. Alright, so this board can now go down in here. With the other one that's not working. Okay, so here we have a power cord. We'll need data card. Okay, so 1541 power Y. Good. Drive. Neck. Themes. Good. Picture. Forward. Moved. Responsive. To commands. Right. So this is the one B A 2 0 1 4 8 9 9 Japan. Okay. So I'll get the wires all carefully inside of the case. And we'll put the top on. Ooh. And we'll say good. That's a good for now. All right, I'll just set this down there for a second. So here, look, here's our growing collection of parts. Not a bad thing. Not bad at all. Okay. So I'll go back to this drive. Where it comes on. Alright, we'll reset this. And we'll load. Comma. Nope. Comma 8. Alright, so this one seems to be responsive. But it's not. Alright. So I'll pop the disk out. Now, one of the things that is very often squirrely with these after they've been sitting around for a while is the head may be dirty. Oh. Oh dear. Okay. This could have gone better. Okay. This needs to be on the bottom of this drive. No good to document and then not tape it on. Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. So my gut tells me maybe we need to clean the head on this drive. So we'll see about gathering together what we need to do that. And we'll see you again soon. Back here in the TV room, where I am David Bradley, your host. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.